In today's video, we'll explore 200 luxurious bathroom ideas, featuring some of the most stunning walk-in shower designs of 2026. From sleek frameless glass enclosures to spa-inspired retreats with steam and aromatherapy, and even compact solutions that maximize small spaces without sacrificing style, we've gathered inspiration for every taste. So, sit back, take a deep breath, and let's step into the world of pure bathroom luxury. Walk-in showers. Frameless glass walk-in shower. Black-framed industrial-style shower. Smoked tinted glass for privacy. Frosted glass enclosure. Floor-to-ceiling clear glass walls. Corner walk-in shower with curved panels. Double-entry doorless shower. Open concept shower with sloped flooring. Shower with skylight above. Rainfall shower with ceiling-mounted head. Dual rainfall heads for couples. Shower with built-in bench seating. Steam shower enclosure with mood lighting. Glass block walls for a retro look. Walk-in shower with natural stone walls. Mosaic accent wall behind the shower head. Shower with pebble stone flooring. Outdoor-inspired shower with greenery. Shower with smart digital controls. Minimalist all-white glass enclosure. Shower with matte black fixtures. Champagne gold shower head and tap. Curved walk-in shower with 3D tiles. Spa-style shower with aromatherapy. LED light strips built into the ceiling. Shower with heated flooring. Glass shower with hidden storage niches. Doorless corner shower with large tiles. Shower with textured marble walls. Oversized luxury shower with waterfall feature. Bathtubs. Freestanding oval tub. Black matte bathtub. Deep Japanese soaking tub. Freestanding stone bathtub. Tub with floor-mounted gold faucet. Glass-sided tub for a futuristic look. Whirlpool jacuzzi tub. Tub with built-in LED lights. Oval tub near a panoramic window. Minimalist square tub. Copper bathtub with patina finish. Bathtub with teakwood surround. Oversized spa tub for two. Built-in tub with marble surround. Freestanding tub in the center of the bathroom. Outdoor stone bathtub. Corner bathtub with jets. Sunken tub with step-down entry. Tub with waterfall faucet. Freestanding matte white tub on black flooring. Tub with a chandelier overhead. Bathtub framed by floor-to-ceiling curtains. Tub inside a glass enclosure. Compact bathtub for small spaces. Freestanding tub on a raised platform. Tub with floral mosaic tiles. Black freestanding tub with gold fixtures. Stone tub carved from granite. Tub with aromatherapy diffuser. Minimal freestanding tub with thin edges. Vanities and sinks. Floating vanity with under-cabinet lighting. Double sink vanity in marble. Concrete sink basin. Round vessel sink. Gold-framed mirror with vanity. Backlit LED mirror. Integrated sink and countertop design. Vanity with hidden storage drawers. Wooden vanity with natural finish. Black stone sink. Wall-mounted compact vanity. Vintage dresser repurposed as vanity. Smart mirror with touchscreen. Floating vanity with open shelving. Vanity with waterfall edge countertop. Vanity with pattern tile backsplash. Brass faucet with marble sink. Matte black tap with vessel sink. Vanity with a circular illuminated mirror. Custom-built vanity with multiple levels. Vanity with glass countertop. Minimal white vanity with slim storage. Natural wood floating shelf vanity. Corner vanity for small bathrooms. Double sink with separate mirrors. Concrete floating vanity with hidden lighting. Vanity with integrated towel racks. Black vanity with gold handles. Vanity with mosaic tile drawers. Glass vanity with a modern edge. Tiles and walls. White subway tiles with black grout. Large format marble tiles. Terrazzo tiles in pastel shades. Hexagon tiles in bold colors. Matte black wall tiles. 3D textured tiles with wave patterns. Vertical stacked subway tiles. Mixed metallic tiles. Mosaic murals. Marble slabs without grout lines. Gradient color tiles. Brick-style wall tiles. Stone cladding for rustic look. Concrete effect tiles. High-gloss ceramic in deep blue. Wood-look porcelain tiles. Black and white checkerboard floor. Herringbone tile pattern. Glass tiles with shimmer finish. Moroccan zellige tiles. Beige travertine wall tiles. Color blocking with tiles. Ombre tile designs. Thin stacked stone wall. Mosaic borders for accent. Copper metallic wall tiles. Mirror finish tiles. Matte green ceramic tiles. Full marble feature wall. Tile niches with LED lights. Lighting ideas. Backlit mirrors. Pendant lights above the vanity. LED strips under the bathtub. Starry ceiling fiber lights. Modern chandelier above tub. Wall sconces in brass. Recessed ceiling lights. Smart color changing LEDs. Skylight for natural daylight. Floor-mounted uplighting. Industrial cage pendant lights. Globe lights in clusters. Wooden lantern lighting. Dimmable vanity lights. Hidden cove lighting. Black track lighting. Water-resistant shower LEDs. Copper hanging pendants. Glass bubble chandelier. Minimalist tube lights. Storage and decor. Built-in wall niches. Floating shelves in wood. Open ladder shelving. Mirror cabinets with storage. Vanity with pull-out organizers. Baskets under sinks. Minimal glass shelving. Towel warmers doubling as racks. Recessed medicine cabinet. Wall-mounted floating drawers. Hidden laundry hampers. Woven baskets for decor. Metallic wall hooks. Sliding barn door storage. Open cube shelving. Towel ladder in black steel. Floating stone ledge. Rotating mirrored cabinet. Modular wall organizers. Hidden shelving behind wall panels. Spa and luxury additions. Aromatherapy diffuser built-in. Heated towel racks. The sauna was integrated into the bathroom. Steam shower with chromotherapy. Jacuzzi tub with jets. Massage shower panels. Floor heating system. Essential oil dispensers. Luxury bath salts display. Rain shower ceiling panels. Built-in fireplace near bathtub. Candle niches. Sound system with Bluetooth. Floating wood bench inside shower. Himalayan salt wall. Spa pebble flooring. Glass steam cabin. Waterfall feature wall. Jacuzzi with LED jets. Herbal steam diffuser. Smart bathroom tech. Voice-controlled shower. Smart mirror with news/weather. Heated smart toilet with bidet. Sensor-activated taps. Smart scale integrated in flooring. Digital temperature presets. Touchless soap dispensers. Smart exhaust fan with humidity sensor. Automatic scent diffuser. UV light sanitizers. Waterproof TV above bathtub. Motion sensor night lights. Bluetooth speaker mirrors. Water-saving digital shower heads. Smart towel warmers. LED lighting synced with music. Thermostatic shower valves. Self-cleaning toilets. Smart leak detectors. App-controlled bath filling system. And there you have it, 200 luxurious bathroom ideas for 2026. From bold tiles and modern vanities to high-tech showers and spa-style retreats, these designs prove that your bathroom can be so much more than just a functional space. It can be a place of relaxation, elegance, and daily luxury. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite bathroom idea.